Let's now also see what happens if I'm playing the part of a malicious party. So let's say Tom Fiddle actually has some intentions to try to change the terms of this contract and get away with that. So perhaps what I can do here is export this document, which has now been signed by both of us. And perhaps what I'd like to do before I send it back is I'd like to make some changes to this document without anyone noticing. If I export verified page, and I export this page, then here we get an XML file. Now if I wanted to, you see here we have the contents for each revision. Now I can go in and I can change the details of this file to make it look as if the initial revision by Suzanne was different. And let's go ahead and remove the trade secrets clause. So I'll just go ahead and remove any mention of this trade secrets clause. And then change the numbering so that no one sees what I've done. I'll go ahead and pause while I do this. Great, so I've just finished and I've gone through every revision in the history of this document, and you'll see I removed what was number 3, the trade secrets clause, that we had both signed on the original document, and fudged the numbers to try to make it look as if this is how it's always been. Now I'm going ahead and directly editing the history of the document, but you'll see that that this kind of forgery we can prevent using the verify page extension. So if I go ahead and I'm going to save this document, and now I'm going to send this across as if I'm sending it to Suzanne, and what we can do here is we can import this new page we've just got from Tom, and I click here, select a file, and this document I will upload. So here we have the non-disclosure agreement that we've just got back from Tom. We're expecting a signed version of the file that we sent over with 2 signatures. And here we can see, well, okay, if I was to just look at the document, great, we've got 2 signatures on here, and mostly it looks the same. Perhaps I don't remember what was different. But if I click here on the verify page extension, you can see it's broken here. So the verification hash doesn't match. I've gone through and I've changed the history of the document. And in fact, in this example, you saw that I changed it all the way through. I changed every revision to try to rewrite the history of it. And it's very simple. The contents that I'm claiming have been in this document all along don't match the verification hash, which was recorded with the very first revision. So you can see it's really simple to track the history of a document and keep that really secure in a way that it can't be tampered with later to try and rewrite its history. Wonderful, thank you very much, and thanks for watching.